Yung noon kasi yung bumabaha, tatawag yung ibang midwife ko. Sabi nang yung pasyente mo hindi makatabok baha. Naawa din ako sa kanila.
Before this project, kami ang pinaka may sirang daan dito.
Dati, matagal ang biyahe.
Ito ang pagkakataon na maayos ang aming daan. Magiging maayos ang takbo ng buhay siguro ng mga tao, lalong-lalo ng mga bata dahil hindi na sila mahirapan sa pagpunta sa kanilang mga paaralan at lalong-lalo na sa kanilang sariling mga bahay.
Millennium Challenge Corporation is a U.S. government agency focused on reducing poverty through economic growth in countries with good track record in good governance, economic freedom, and investment in their people.
This is a product of a true partnership between friends. No? From the inception of the project, in fact, the choice of projects really deals with the heart of the challenges of the Philippines. No? Infrastructure challenge, the fiscal challenge, and the challenge to help the poorest of the poor.
MCC provides us with rigorous guidelines and technical support, but gives us enough room to adapt to the local context.
MCA-P's goal is to uplift the lives of Filipinos through economic growth.
Because of MCC's model of country ownership, MCA-Philippines already had a local presence and relationship from the highest levels of national government down to the local communities.
In partnership with the Department of Social Welfare and Development, MCA-P is implementing the Kapit Bisig Laban sa Kahirapan comprehensive and integrated delivery of social services, a community-driven project that enables local government units and their communities to choose, design, and implement sub-projects to address their most pressing needs. This project aims to empower the community.
With the Kalahi Seeds projects, we are well on our way to achieving our target.
Farm-to-market roads, school buildings, drainage facilities, water systems, access trails or footpaths, daycare centers, health stations, footbridges, soil protection, and many other community infrastructure projects.
Mula po nung mapatayo naman yung daycare center dito sa aming lugar, naging safe and sound sila. Conducive naman yung lugar na para sa pag-aaral nila.
Saka yung health center na ito, maraming tulong dito.
Nung tapos na ito, ako rin yung unang nagpa-prenatal dito. Buwan-buwan dito ako pupunta, nagpa-prenatal. Kaya hindi na mahirap para sa akin na tumawid ng ilog.
For the Summer Road project, construction is well on its way with the rehabilitation of the 222 kilometers and the 61 bridges. We're also glad to say that the resettlement of project-affected entities as a whole, it has really gone very smoothly.
SNRDP has 4 contract packages. These contracts were awarded after an internationally competitive, open and transparent procurement process that went through scrutiny of our stakeholders and the public eye. In addition to road access, the project also includes improvement of drainage systems, slope stabilization measures, bridge rehabilitation, and provision of adequate vehicle and pedestrian safety features.
Itong road project ay malaking naitulong sa munisipyo ko particularly at sa probinsya naman sa Samar.
Ngayon, madali na lang. Gawa ng maayos na ang kalsada.
Medyo maupay na. Medyo bilis na may gagmit na itong pagbiyahe. Kita, danay minsan 500, 600.
Actually, Ngayon ko lang na ipag-implement na sa Millennium Highway, saka na lang medyo gumaganda-ganda ang aming kalsada. But prior to that, ay talagang napakahirap.
We would be able to bring so many things here, the supplies and the development, especially at this time wherein we are recovering.
The Revenue Administration Reform Project aims to assist the Philippine government's revenue administration system by redesigning the Bureau of Internal Revenue's tax policies and practices and addressing the problem of corruption through the Revenue Integrity Protection Service of the Department of Finance. In RARP, we are in the process of repairing and enhancing BIR's electronic tax information system. To raise public awareness, we have launched a nationwide campaign for BIR, anchored on tax obligations and shared responsibility in nation building. More than just addressing physical infrastructure needs in the projects, MCC and MCA-P strongly promote gender integration, highlighting the participation of women in community building, while also focusing on the welfare of children and the elderly, and combating human trafficking.
Ayang-ayang sa ako nga mangunga dahil gusto ko nga makatapos ang daitoon nga para sa akon nga binuligan. As in, ipagmalaki mananda ako nga kaya ni mama mag-welder nga trabaho iti aki. Nga nakatapos kami nga dahil kana saan na nga pag-welding.
To sustain project benefits over the long term, we are partnering with NGOs and private corporations as complementary activities to the construction of physical infrastructures. In 2013, we trained daycare center teachers on the use of Lego bricks as educational tools. In partnership with Felta Multimedia Incorporated and Lego Foundation, we gave 1 Lego charity box each to 40 daycare centers in Bicol and Eastern Visayas to aid in early childhood development.
Sa pamamagitan ng Lego, tinatas ko lang yung isang Lego block. Ipaparecognize ko kung anong color yan, o anong shape. At the same time, nag-play na may natutunan.
The need for the project to be completed is now more significant in order to help rebuild the communities.
The Summer Road project, now more than ever, will be a key contributor to reconstruction and economic recovery.
Salamat po sa facilities nga i-provide po sa aming area, rehabilitation of our highway.
Abo nga salamat, agad tao mo kami riya kami center sa aming barangay ginatuan.
Abo gid nga salamat sa mga nagsuporta sa Kalahi Seeds ag sa mga sa MCC ag sa MCA-P.
Abo gid nga salamat kinyo ag kung ako man makaano ay hindi gid ka mo malipatan sir. Thank you sa MCC.
Bilang isang pinuno ng distrito, tinatutuwa ko. I like to articulate my thanks and gratitude sa Millennium Challenge.
Our biggest asset is our people. We have to invest in them. We have to make sure that they're educated properly. We have to make sure that they're healthy so that they can become productive participants in the future.
It's remarkable what MCA-Philippines has achieved to date in such a short period of time. With our close partnership between the Philippine and U.S. governments, with Millennium Challenge CAP Philippines and Millennium Challenge Corporation, despite ongoing challenges, we're confident that we will continue to uplift the lives of Filipinos through economic growth and poverty reduction.